Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video, I'm going to show you a sneaky little tip how to get the perfect values in your graphite and charcoal drawings. Hey there guys, just thought I'd show you a cool trick that I've got that I've been using recently, which is going to help you decide whether you've found the correct value or you've got the correct value in relation to your reference image. So I've been drawing this zebra now for the last about 4 or 5 hours. And I thought that it would be a really good video for you because of the contrast between the black and the white. Now, it's really important when you are doing any kind of graphite or charcoal work to get contrast, because actually the white on a picture is never really white and the blacks are very rarely black. It's the contrast between the two that gives the impression that whites are white and blacks are black. So what I've got here is I've got 2 squares of paper and I've punched small holes in them. Now what I'm going to look for is this area here around the mane of the zebra. These white stripes, I just want to show you how far off of white they are. So if I actually place one of these over the whiter area, let's find a good area. So if you can see there now, with the white background, you can actually see that the white of the zebra's mane there, the stripe going up, is absolutely nowhere near white. It's actually quite a dark grey. So if I go for this similar area now on my drawing, so you can actually see now, if I get a pencil just to show you, that the white area in the reference is actually a lot darker than the white that I've got here. And this is a really cool trick, and you can go anywhere on the drawing with this really. So if we come and have a look at the ear of the zebra compared to the ear of the zebra here. So again, when I compare the actual reference, I can see that this is much darker than what I've actually got it here. And it's only by applying this white piece of paper with the hole in it that you actually do get a really good impression of how dark you've gone. One of the things that you struggle with as an artist, which is something that I do all the time, is you feel that you've gone dark enough, but actually you need to go much darker to bring the dimension out. So I thought that was a pretty neat trick. I hope you give it a go. It works with all pencil charcoal drawings, so give that a go. It takes 2 seconds to make a couple of those. Just use a hole punch. And I now know that in this ear area here, I'm actually going to come in now with my 4B, and I'm just going to strengthen this up a little bit. And I know that I'm not risking going too dark, which is, again, like I said, it's something that we're always fearful of. And I can remember doing some drawings before where I've barely gone into an HB because I'm so concerned with going too dark, when the reality of it was I probably needed to be up to a 4B or even a 6B in certain areas. So just keep checking your reference and your actual drawing itself. You can check it as many times as you like, just so that you're bringing your tones up in the correct portion. You don't always have to have the exact same value as the reference image, but if you're going for realism, which is something that I'm going for with this drawing, then it is really important that you are kind of matching the values, but you are also getting the contrast as well, so the contrast between the darkest areas and the lighter areas. I hope that video helped you guys. I hope you'd subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for the support that you've been giving me recently. Don't forget, hit the notifications icon so that you know when this zebra drawing goes live. I'll do the whole time lapse. I've been using a few different pencils with this as well, so I'll explain everything that I've been doing. Don't forget to find me on social media as well. You can get me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are in the descriptions below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.